make better documents. In this series, we'll take a look at some documents. We will look at 3 good things about a document and 3 things that could be better.
I want to show you a couple of things in one of my favorite cookbooks in terms of design, things that could be good, things that could be better. So one of the things that's really good in this cookbook is the giant white border around each page. And why I think this is really good is because when you print it, it doesn't have to be printed full bleed and have all of the pages cut off. It's just one of those little tweaks that you can do that makes your document more environmentally friendly. Something else that's really good in this book is the big giant text for the recipes, so you can find them pretty easily at a glance. And this particular book has ingredient list shown with pictures, which is quite interesting and a little bit unusual with a cookbook, and I kind of like that. That brings me on to the thing that I think could be better in this particular cookbook is at the front there's no complete list of recipes. So in order to find something, let's say I have a lot of carrot and I want to cook up a lot of carrot, I've added these little tabs myself so I can flick to each chapter and then I look at those ingredients that are listed there and I check them all. Oh, there's no carrot. How about the next one? Oh, there's carrot here. Then I can look at the names of the recipes here, and the names of the recipes are only available inside each chapter. And a lot of cookbooks do have an index at the back, and this one does have an index at the back. But the problem with the index in the back is it's often using very specific terms to reference it in the index. It's not a comprehensive index. So example, here there's a list for bowls, and then that's where it's got the garlic mushroom quinoa, the mushroom buckwheat porridge, and it's listed in bowls. So there's bakes, bowls, burgers, cakes, curries, and that's not necessarily a helpful way to look for example eggplant, whatever you're looking for, or carrot, whatever you're looking for. And if this is a cookbook that's about using up particular ingredients, it would have made more sense to have allowed for that in the design of the book. And that's where it really comes down to thinking about the customers themselves, thinking about the reader and their experience of using the book, because I'm pretty certain that they weren't expecting us to go and add our own tabs just to find a recipe in a cookbook. Making the world a more beautiful place, one document at a time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description is information about how to come to one of our online group workshops, how to hire me to design all of your workshop materials, as well as a link to quick online courses.